what is HCF? You guys know HCF stands for highest common factor, okay? Greatest common divisor, GSD. We could also call GSD or HCF, okay? HCF means highest common factor and GSD stands for greatest common divisor. Both meaning of both the things is same, okay? Whether someone asks you what is the GCD of two numbers or HCF of two numbers, the answer will be same, okay? Got it? So how to calculate HCF or GCF of two numbers? So highest common factor, like it means, like suppose if I ask what is the 16 and 12, what is the HCF of these two numbers, 16 and 12? So answer should be 4, I guess. Let's see. Okay. So answer is 4. The HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. So how we can calculate this? Let me explain. Like we have to figure out a number which could be divisible by both of this number, 12 and 16. If we divide 12 by 4, what will be the remainder? 0, correct? If we divide 12 by 4, what will be the remainder? 0. And if we divide 16 by 4, what will be the remainder? 0 only, no? Yeah. To check the remainder, we use modulus. So we have to figure out a number which, when divided by both this number, should give the remainder 0. We have to find the maximum number, highest number, possible highest number. Okay. So like let's take example 15 and 12. What could be the HCF of these two numbers, 15 and 12? You have to give me a number which, when divided by 15 and 12, both will return 0 remainder only.
3, right?
3, correct. So when you divide 15 by 3, the remainder will be 0. Look, it's true, no? 3 5s are 15. And when you divide 12 also, you are getting the remainder 0. True also again. Got it, Akash? Why 3?
Yes.
Yeah. So like if I have 30 and 24, what will be the HCF of this? You have to figure out a number which, when divided by both the number, should give a remainder 0.
6.
6, okay. 3 is also possible, correct?
Yeah, but not highest, no?
Highest, correct. Sorry, 30. So 3 is also possible, 6 is also possible, and any number else?
2 is also possible.
2 is also possible, correct. So 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 30 and 24, okay? When we talk about the factors, these are the factors 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 20 and 34, but we have to find out the highest factor. So 6 is the highest factor, okay? There might be a factors which don't have any common in them, like 35 and 33. What will be the HCF of these two numbers?
1.
1, correct. So when we don't have any common factors, 1 is always going to be a factor, no? So 1 is the factor of 35 also, 1 is factor of 33 also. The common factor is 1, and that is the highest factor only, because they don't have any common apart from 1, okay? So when we talk about the HCF, the minimum value which could be HCF start from is 1, correct? The low range will be 1. And till when high range should be what? High range कहाँ तक जा सकता है?
Max
Like when
of
when we are talking about 30 and 24, can HCF would be greater than this 24? No, now. Like what is the HCF of this? 4 and 8. 4 and 8 का HCF क्या होगा?
4.
4 ही होगा ना? Varun, what will be the HCF of 4 and 8?
Yeah, 4.
4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So HCF couldn't be greater than the minimum of these two numbers. मतलब द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से HCF बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Got it? So the high range would be mean of A, B. Okay. Low range will be 1 and high range will be mean of A, B. So let's take two numbers, 12 and B will be 15. Let's try to solve this question. So what will be the for loop range for I in range? What should I pass in the range? What will be the low range?
1.
1. And high range?
Mean
Mean of A,
was
B.
this thing.
Plus 1 will be
Yes.
there, no?
Yes.
Because it excluded that part. And what the condition should be like? If A modulus I, no?
I equal to 0.
And B modulus I equal to 0. Correct? So we are going to print I, because I is going, the HCF of two numbers is I, and we are going to break it. Okay. There's a problem in this code.
There is a problem actually, yeah.
Yeah, correct. So Akash, try what's the problem in this code. Try to get it.
Like actual HCF is one will get one.
Yeah, correct. For one, every
and
time
it
this
will
condition is
break.
going to be satisfied now. So always we are going to get one
Yeah.
as the output only. So instead of this, what we could do is we could start from mean of A, B, means like from backward. Okay. From 12 we could start a loop and we could go till 1. Correct? That we can do that now.
Yeah, 1 can be excluded. Yes.
Yeah. So 1
Or
is
0,
excluded.
0, 0.
0. We will write here 0. Why 0? Because 1 will be excluded. It will go till 1. Correct? And I will pass -1 here.
Yes.
Because I want to decrement the values now here.
-1.
Instead of incrementing, I will decrement the values. So here it will start from 12. For 12 it will check. It's true, no. Then it will go for 11, फिर 10, फिर 9. ऐसे कर करके it will go till 1. And it won't go for 0 because 0 is excluded. So at the end 1 will be satisfied. So the loop is going to break anyways. So for the 3 it got break. Got it, Akash?
Yeah. So that plus.
Can you repeat,
Okay,
Akash?
right? Mean AB.
Yeah, actually it's
like
not
in
required
range,
now.
mean AB.
It's yeah. Mean of AB. One is not required now. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. So it works. Okay, fine. So do the revision of HCF and HCF. Try to solve it by yourself. Okay. And on the upcoming lectures, we will discuss more problems on for loop and while loop and strings also. Okay.
Subscribe the channel for more such informative videos.